or introduction to her family channel.
You have to take them apart, don't you?
Yeah, when you get this now, they have to assemble this for you, Hope you're having a beautiful Monday. Hope you're having a blessed time. Safe. My dear, may I try to keep you safe. It look like we have a soon start cut back.
Mom and Dad aren't here. They went in St. Mary, and you guys is just a little
I may have sweet potatoes. I'm gonna make a little sweet potatoes salad. So until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be short. Hey YouTube family, good morning, blessed morning, blessed afternoon, blessed night, whenever time you get to see this video. And of course you hear my little grandpuppy them in the background. Them all about now. Them all get things that get tuned up around here. Any view on this little video, I am doing some whites, and I'm doing it the Jamaican way with a blue cake soap first. I'm gonna do it with the blue cake soap, then I'm gonna rinse it in the powdered soap. Actually, I have in here 2 aprons, 2 white aprons. Oh, let's see me on the cooking journey in them. So this one here, it has a lot of brown spots, but it's, I don't know, it seems like it's grease. So, and I have here 2 pieces of kitchen curtain, so white. So them have them little brown spot there too. Yeah, this is how this is right here, but actually I think this, yeah, so they are trimmed with this. So on this apron now I have some brown spots, so you can see that the sun out, the sky blue, hope it stay blue for now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna soak it with the blue soap and leave it until the sun come up and the water start eating it. I am not sure. Hopefully say I can get it out. So I'm going to soak them up. When I soak them up, I just go like rub it a bit, but you see it's not coming out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna soak it and leave it into the sun like this. So this is the first part of it, soaking it up and leaving it in the water until the sun comes right up. I'll find somewhere over the next side where the sun is up, and I'm gonna take you on this little whitewashing Jamaican way journey. And I might have some other whites with a little color in them too, so I might do them in a next load. But since these are aprons and kitchen curtain, I think this is the prime load, the kitchen curtain and the apron them. So look here, I'm going to soak it up, leave it in the sun, and as it goes along, I'm going to show you if the sun will take it out. So this is what this little video is all about. I'm going to show you, look up them. Them. Although you just got to see them the other day, but they are even more stronger than about 2 or 3 days ago. They are barking. Did I say that? Yes, them are bark and them are walk. So it's a day. Sometimes the days are like looking really hot, and then sometimes the sun just goes in and then the rain starts doing so. We don't know if it's going to be like this today. So whatever it is, you see it? So my aim, I have to get them out. Something splashed on. And it's not curry, because if it was curry, it would have turned. I'm not sure, because if I did curry, it would have turned one little funny way when the cake soap catch it. So in the next clip, you'll see what is happening, YouTube family. So family, like it's in the sun here now, and you can see the spots. They're fading. I put it on top so this you can get the direct sunlight. So as soon as it get dry, it just come. And you can see the spots, they're not so bright. They are fading. So if you open this part up here, you see it? I hope the camera will pick it up. You see, I soon feed you. Okay, so me right here, so I go on the side, so I go eat. I have one plate of fish head curry. Actually, nobody in here eats fish head but me and little rice. So, but up on the outside of the local laundry for now. So I also don't want this and eat. So next clip. So family, around here, some of the case them around there, so I not give them bone here. So I don't know if you remember, I don't know, but you can comment. Maybe people in the sunny state, tell me if you don't buy, if you don't get blue cakes up, or don't watch that way there too. You know, what you can do now to actually And you get it out, soak it and get it out and rub it and it come out. You can probably put it in the machine now, second it and rinse it. Like make a, you know, a load of white with a load of white. But like when I'm outside and the sun hot, I'm not going to bother put them in the machine. But I'm showing you. So I just want to come show you this is a look. I don't know. Maybe other Caribbean country tell me if in one of the states, I think in place there, if sun come out, I'm gonna do this. Probably you can do it indoors too, you know. A tip for who would like to use it, you can do it and then probably like get the hot water, pour on it, but the water feel really hot, you know. Hot. You know, so my breakfast is in the family. Everybody fish head with them eat and live. And some white rice. So that may I share them today. In case you forget, doing some whites. The good old Jamaican way. Alright? Okay family, so it's faded. Just a little bit left. So probably like me can put a little light bleach water and probably rinse it out. Or probably me can try my brush and get a little brush. So me get it out. You have to say come out. Okay man, two little rub and me get it out. I do it the old time way, you know. Nowadays maybe you get chemical or me still have the part here so. So you might have to go leave the little part here so by itself somewhere. So my little spot then stubborn more than so. I can use a brush. Still stubborn it there right there. See that little part? I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but what I go do, I go put it by itself somewhere on the lime tree. Remember then look at these family, some people have them zinc a country. So look here now. Like what? This are the only stubborn one. I search my soap here. See it here? See it right up in my face here. Yeah, see it? See it? So I'm going to rest it on the lime tree. Right here, so. Right? Yep. And this one I'm going to burn it out. So I'm going to proceed now to just finish out these. You see them white? I finish to just wash because the cake soap kind of look right. I don't know them technique. So I'm going to wash it out of the cake soap and then I'll second it out in a powder soap and then rinse it. So when I reach this, if I do the seconding and the rinsing, me come back to now. You can look. Comment in the comment section. Tell me how good I do. Remember down here is the goal. So it will have the goal look. I'm going to come out of the. But you can see the white, them have high door. Comment. First time when you that country and you wash your clothes and I say, what? The white clothes, them have yai, man. They have yai. Whereas you live at the roadside, people are past, like when you see me live at the road up at St. Mary, they know. And you line always there to the front or down in your yard. What, they be your white, they have yai road, them, man. So, and this help figure, like exercise, you know, like elbow grease, like movements, and all of that. So, I'm going to do this now. And then I'm going to rinse them. I'll show you how I'm going to do them. We call it second. In Jamaica, when we do it, we say we are going to second it out into the powdered soap or the fab. Country people say fab. We are going to second them out. So I'm just going to hang them right here, so. Yeah, and when I second them, I'll show you. And probably about 2 rinse we are going to rinse. So just taking you back to the good old days. How we do whites in Jamaica. Yeah. Okay, now family, so. This is the second, what we call it second, you know, give it a next second wash. But me always like put some baking soda in it. Yeah. So me I put about this a baking soda. It make the laundry fresh and all of that. So me I put that and then now I'm gonna put a little powdered soap. This one soda lot, so me don't want to put too much. I think that would be fine. So me go leave it in it. So I put this in, I had a few more pieces. This is not fully white and it has colors, but you can see so the colors them not run. So you can't put out easy well second these with them. So I have to make sure so some of them something having bleach too, you know. Most of them type of powdered soap they have bleach. So I'm gonna left them in it now. Now the sun again, so it come up. And then back then in the days too, we would do the last rinse in light blue water. You remember those little ball of blues, little blocks, and then I'm gonna give you a video like that, but I am going to do that video for you in St. Mary. So that would be on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream, when me go give a nice St. Mary wash day in the summer walk on me, because I'm gonna show you how our parents back then, some don't remember, some will, soon as they see me do it, would put it in a piece of fabric, kind of like a thick something, calico like, and I'm not sure if those blues last as ever. And you'd say, I'm gonna bring you back and give you a wash day like that, where we rinse white with blue. So look here, may I leave it in the sun, and may I leave it about half an hour. So when I come back in the half an hour, so them smell so nice and fresh now, you know. I'm gonna rinse it out of this, and then I'm gonna put it under some water for beat out. You know, I think I have a piece of cream in here too. Comes up. But this, you know, you can do the cream with the whites. That's what I come under the white. It's a camera girl sweater when she have St. Mary. She always wear it because the man in them so cold. So when she put it in the machine, it tend to four out. So I have it in there too. So cake soap all done, because some of the cake soap them tend to raw. I'm gonna put the powdered soap. I'm gonna put a little baking soda, and the baking soda helps it to be so fresh and nice. Let me tell you, when I'm finished with these, I rinse them under running water. No machine, when you do your sheets like this too, it has a different role. My neighbor the next door, them talk loud of them house, I have no control about that. Real Jamaican backyard life. I'm in my backyard and they're in their backyard. So let me tell you, when you do your laundry like this, it's freshest your towels too. But you know, as we get older, we have to resort to the little. But sometimes, quite a few little items, it's best to be done and wash. Comment and let me know. So in the next clip, you're going to see me wash them. I think I have them all washed out already. I'm going to beat them out under the pipe. I'm going to show you what them look like on the line in the sun. Hope the sun stays out. Next clip. The family, I am here under this pipe. I'm going to rinse them, but I'm going to rinse them again too. Should I put them in the basin, but I have something else into the basin. So I get out this one I don't know, and to get out the soap water. So then the next one now, I got the last water. I go be like, I'm going to put the fabric softener. But look here, back in the days we never have no fabric softener. So me there come and see it ground. Me a Jamaican woman, you know. Yeah, and a foreign thing, this is a Jamaica thing. So me try to squeeze out all of the soap, make it run clear before me can, you know, put in the little fabric softener after this. I want to kind of flow over from me. I should have one bigger basin, the wide basin, but I have some head tie. So I'm going to put my head tie them in it. So I am definitely now. Yeah. And all of you, when you used to be at Jamaica, this you used to do, if you look about your children them, send them to school, make your family eat. Right now, me I say, if I'm done, I go and so I sit down. Then I say, big up on yourself, I respect on you. But this one I used to walk and just go to people laundry. In Jamaica, we say wash people dirty clothes. But this you used to do. So till when you look your finger, them have the fungus. But we say name Whitlow, big up on yourself. Yeah, big up on yourself. It wasn't easy and it's still not easy. I'm going to put fabric softener on. I'm going to get back the bigger pan and we can handle myself. I leave them in the night because the apron and the fabric kind of coarse. So I'm going to leave it in the night. And I'm going to rinse them out. So when you see me now next time, I'm going to put them out on the line. Alright? Okay, so family, these are my finished whites. I did wash my cap too. I started the video in this and I did wash my cap too. So these are my curtains. I look a folding up my God now. My aprons and my curtains. So I just want to thank you if you have watched and you have come so far. I just wanted to share this little little white, washing off white back then. And as I promised you, I'm gonna do one with the blue. Remember that blue? So what I'm about doing now, this is the pillowcase. I don't know. Pillowcases are always up here, but I don't know what happened to the other one. This was in a pretty bad shape. Really pretty bad. These are my kitchen curtains. You know them well from me, I'm a video them. So I changed kitchen curtains the other day. And these are the curtains I'm gonna fold. But the thing about me, I am not a great folder and drawer packer. You know, some people, I have a sister in back then when I was younger. She was the queen of packing laundry and folding, and I draw them neat. I must be the bearer of bad news to say I am not that person. What about you? Are you the perfect folder person? Yes, so the aprons here. These are the 2 aprons. Let me show you. And they are crushed. So I go fold now, but I'm not gonna really fold and show you. Just to show you how they came out. And as I said before, it was I just decided that I would show you how we back what I'll know to the younger people them do them whites. Yeah, how we do whites in Jamaica on a nice sunny day. I think I did something like that on the Jamaican Debbie probably about 2.5 years back. But I decided to show you. Do you remember cake soap? Where you are? Can you get cake soap? Do you use it? Please comment. And remember to tell me if you are the perfect folding, neat folding person and the neatest drawer packer. I am not. Me no really neat from that. So I just want to thank you for reaching thus far. If you have reached thus far with me in the video, please tell me what you think. How you do your whites where you are. And do you think, most of all, do you think that the machine can bring them this white? Thanks for watching. Remember to make sure that you are subscribed if you have not yet done that. I'll be coming with some other little videos, but I won't give it away as we go along. Families, for the younger people to learn something. This also they can learn from. I'm going to do the one that I do, a set of whites, and I'll show you when we use the blue to finish in the rinse how it looks. Thanks for watching, and until I see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao.